open up. You OPN.
What's going on, you guys? It is your girl Jade, and I am back for a super quick review for you guys. I'm going to dive right on into it so that there's not too much talking. So I ordered these. I don't know if you guys have seen these magnetic eyelash thingies, eyelash extensions, but they're magnetic. I have used them after I ordered them, and let me tell you, I am completely in love. If you have not seen any of my other videos where I talk about not really being a big fan of lashes, this product makes me want to wear lashes every day, y'all. So I'm gonna get started into the review. Okay, I want to say I saw their ad either on Instagram or a Facebook ad, and I said, okay, it doesn't cost that much. I'm gonna go ahead and order it and see if this product actually works. So you're welcome. It came like within like 2 weeks, and I will leave everything in the description box below, so you don't have to worry about that. I ordered these, and within, I want to say 2 weeks, I got it in the mail. So it comes with instructions, and it just basically tells you, shake well, let me tell you what comes in the pack. So you get 3 lashes, these tweezers here, and then the magnetic eyeliner. And this actually works great if you like run out of eyelash glue. I used this in a previous makeup video where I was doing my Ulta haul, and I had run out of my Wet n Wild lash glue, and I used this, and it made my lashes stick. So this dries really quick. So what they tell you to do is shake the eyeliner. Do they call this eyeliner? Yes, it's magnetic eyeliner. So it's not even lash glue. So you shake it for a few seconds, and then you actually apply this to your eyelids instead of the eyelashes. And you're gonna wait about a minute for the eyelash glue to get a little tacky, the eyeliner to get a little tacky. And then you're going to apply the eyelashes. So I even do this when I'm doing my regular eyelashes. So I didn't bring a mirror. So I'm going to do the best I can. So like the package said, you're supposed to wait like a minute, and then let me get my mirror. Okay, so it's been about a minute. So then you take, as you can see, try not to look up because the eyeliner has gotten on my eyeshadow, which is fine, it's whatever. So the eyelashes have magnetic strips on them, and you can see like right here, there's like 4 or 5. and you just apply it onto the eyeliner. And voila, that is it. That is all you have to do. Now, I will tell you, I do not like dramatic lashes because it looks unnatural. If you have not seen my other, my Ulta haul, this is a lash separator I got from Ulta. It's like a comb for your lashes. And I'm going to use this every day now. So after I put on mascara or whatever, I'm going to comb through my lashes. Not only is that good, not only is combing through your lashes good for your lashes, it's good to do that because, like combing your hair, it'll promote lash growth. Not only that, but if you have a problem with clumpy lashes, this is like the perfect tool to comb through that. So you're welcome. Go pick it up at Ulta. So like I said, this kit here, and it came with 3 sets of lashes, the eyeliner, magnetic eyeliner, and then this tweezer tool here. I love this product. It takes less than 30 seconds. It takes probably 10 seconds to put these lashes on, you know, after, and I'm blinking like that because I got the magnetic liner on my lashes. So it's making my eyelid stick to itself. So as I was saying, it's a great product. I freaking love these lashes. You don't have to worry about the eyeliner running into your eyes. However, cleanup is going to be a little messy. I think what I used to get all of the eyeliner off when I took the lashes off is I had to use some a Q-tip and some micellar water. You don't necessarily have to use a Q-tip because I use a cotton ball, but you just want to take a little micellar water and wipe your eyelid to make the eyeliner come completely off, because you don't want to put soap near your eyes anyway, because your eyes will start burning. But other than that, these lashes are perfect. The magnetic eyeliner dries within, I want to say, it gets tacky within like 30 seconds. So I want to say less than a minute you can have these lashes on both sets, both your eyes. So that's all I have. This was, like I said, a real quick video just to show you guys these magnetic eyeliner lashes. I'm feeling very gypsy like right now, especially with these. I'm feeling very fortune teller with my headband and these lashes and this bold lipstick and these big earrings. So I'm gonna get out y'all hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, and if you share this video, don't forget to tag me in it. if you purchase these magnetic eyeliner, if you purchase these magnetic eyelashes before, my child, if you purchase these magnetic eyelashes before, drop me a comment and let me know, did you like these eyelashes or did you not? Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, at Shades of Jade, we stay litty because we always pretty. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.